This video focuses Introduction to Python Dictionaries by asking Chat, Introduction to Python Dictionaries. With examples and code explanations, we can get the basic knowledge of Python dictionaries. A dictionary in Python is a built-in data structure that stores data in key-value pairs. Dictionaries are highly useful when you want to associate a unique key with some value, and you need to access these values efficiently based on their keys. They are mutable, which means that after a dictionary is created, you can change, add, or remove items. Their keys must be immutable, which means that their keys can be data types such as strings, numbers or tuples, but not lists. By running code example, we can have a preliminary understanding of the syntax and usage of Python dictionaries. Let's first take a look at example, creating a dictionary. Dictionaries are created using curly braces, or the dict function. As shown in this example, name, age, and major are keys. Alice, 23, and computer science are values. Next, example, accessing dictionary values. You can access the value associated with a key by using square brackets. You can also use the get method to retrieve values safely. If the key doesn't exist, it returns none, or a default value if specified, instead of raising an error. Next, example, modifying dictionaries. You can add, update, or remove items in a dictionary. As shown in this example, you can add a new key-value pair and update existing keys. As shown in this example, you can remove items using del, pop, or popitum. Del removes a specific key-value pair. Pop removes a key and returns its value. Popitum removes and returns the last key-value pair, insertion order. Next, example, iterating through a dictionary. You can loop through the keys, values, or both in a dictionary. As shown in this example, you can traverse the keys and values, or key-value pairs in the fruit inventory dictionary. Next, example, dictionary methods. Here are some common dictionary methods. Keys returns a view object containing the dictionary's keys. Values returns a view object containing the dictionary's values. Items returns a view object containing the dictionary's key-value pairs. Update updates the dictionary with key-value pairs from another dictionary, or iterable clear removes all items from the dictionary. As shown in this example, you can become familiar with how to use dictionary methods. Finally, let's review the main characteristics of dictionaries. Dictionaries in Python are powerful tools for mapping and organizing data efficiently. They provide fast lookups, make it easy to modify data, and are a flexible and essential part of Python's data structures.